Hi, welcome. It's Margaret and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about the wind chime. It's a popular Feng Shui remedy that's always been recommended when we need to actually mitigate the negative energies of the number 5 yellow and the number 2 illness star, which are both earth stars. So what kind of wind chime do we need? Do we need wind chimes that are like this? No. The wind chimes that we need shouldn't be made of bamboo nor other ceramics or seashells. What we need is an all metal 6 rod, and they should be hollow, which represents the 6 rods will represent the Qiangua, and which also represents the metal element. And the wind chime should be what you see here in this particular slide is one of the more popular type of wind chime, which is actually arranged in a circular fashion. But there are also wind chimes that are also arranged in a straight line, like the ones that you see here in the slide. Okay, so but any of these type of wind chime are fine to use as long as they're all metal and they have 6 hollow rods. Okay, but the one thing that actually I'm a little bit iffy about is the fact that sometimes we want the sectors that we're trying to remedy to be quiet. Now, wind chimes, so they do make some noise, right? So it kind of defeats the purpose of why we're using the metal element as a remedy and to keep the sector that needs to be remedied quiet. So if it's in a if the wind chime is going to be used in a sector where there's a tendency probably for you to always touch it, bang into it, or there's wind, then it would actually make the wind chimes chime. Then we can probably use other types of metal objects, such as the weights that I've recommended before, vases, some would call it, or other types of metal figurines. And this can be used. These other types of objects can be used if the wind chime is not practical for a particular sector. Okay, so again, the wind chime has to be all metal, 6 rod, hollow, and like what you see here in this slide here. Okay, and please also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this session, and I hope to see you again soon.